Stop doing what doesn't work. Do this instead. It's time to change your approach and see real results. Everybody is looking for the secret to success. Well, look no further. The answers are simpler than you think. Ever feel like your goals are just out of reach? Like no matter how hard you try, they seem to slip away? Here's how to grab them. With the right steps, you can make your dreams a reality. Step 1, write it down, clear and specific. Putting your goals on paper makes them tangible. Step 2, break it down, small manageable steps. This makes big goals less overwhelming and more achievable. Step 3, set a deadline. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you stay focused. A goal without a timeline is just a dream. Make sure you have a clear time frame. Step 4, take action every day. Consistency is key. Daily efforts compound over time. Step 5, track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated. And finally, step 6, stay flexible. Life is unpredictable and so are your goals. Adapt and keep moving forward. You've got this. No matter what comes your way, stay resilient. Remember, mastering your goals is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and learn from it. Visualize your success and keep your eyes on the prize. Visualization helps you stay focused and motivated. Share your goals with others and build a support system. Having a network can provide encouragement and accountability. Subscribe now to Insponential for more productive and motivational content.